one of the worst spots you could ever run one of these is right here. I highly recommend never hooking up here. The green jacket, you know, there's these little loops right here. I don't know if you can see them on the camera. See that little loop? I hooked on there just to hold it for a minute and then unhooked it. But I'm talking about people that are paddling downriver with these things on them. It could just as easily be accessible in here than right here. I've heard it all. People are like, oh, well, I run a screw gate up there, so what do I got to worry with? I'm like, you don't need to run anything up there. That's why you should always keep your vests nice and tight. Keep them tightened down to even minimize this snag right here. The last thing I want, metal ring right here that could potentially like clip on something, and it's so easy to do that. I know you're like, oh, the odds of that happening are minimal. Yeah, but that one time it does happen, it sucks, and you're going to be in a lot of trouble. It's okay to carry like multiple styles on you. Always have some sort of screw gate or twist gate. I've always got that on me. And then have some sort of wide gate, clipping on paddles and clipping on things like that. Those are great for clipping on paddles. Those are terrible for clipping here. It doesn't take much for that to just happen. And if that happens and that's hooked onto your vest, you're in big trouble. If I'm out there and I have to save you, I'm not cutting this. You know what I'm cutting? I'm going to lift your vest up and I'm going to sever that right there. So that way I've ruined your $300 vest to save your life. No, I'm just joking. I wouldn't do that. I would cut the wire. I would cut the cord. Let's all try to help each other out more, and let's just make it more aware that never run any type of carabiners up here on your vest in these hooks, or hooking anywhere down into here. Never hook it anywhere where you can't like get it off real quick.